Here's how to make a video tutorial with screen recordings in 3 easy steps. Everything will be done online and you can even try it out for free. Before we start though, let's take a look at what we need to create a tutorial that's as professional as possible. First, in order to create a screen recording tutorial, you're going to need a PC or a laptop. Ideally, it would also have a microphone and a camera, but you don't have to worry about that. If you don't want to use your own voice, we'll provide an alternative later in the video. As we mentioned in the beginning, everything will be done online, so you don't need to download and install any applications. Start by opening up a browser. Then look up Flixier on Google. Create a free account if you don't already have one. The next step is to choose the resolution for your tutorial. For this example, I'm going to use a 16:9 horizontal resolution. Now, let me show you how easy it is to record your laptop screen. To do this, I'll just click the record button. Here you have several options. You can choose to record your camera, your screen, the audio by itself, or several other combinations where your camera is overlaid on top of the screen recording. After choosing your layout, you can pick the entire screen option to record the whole screen. You can also select a specific tab or window. It's also very important to click Allow here to give your browser permission to record your screen, microphone, and webcam. When you're ready to start, click the red icon to start recording. Now you can start making your tutorial, and when you're done, you can click on Stop to save your recording. The cool part about using this tool is that you can now edit the tutorial directly in Flixier. All you have to do is click Import All. If you don't have experience with editing videos but you want to learn more, you can check out the tutorial playlist we made by following the link in the description. Next, I'm going to show you how to edit a tutorial that was recorded on your phone. This can be useful when you're trying to teach someone how to use an app. To edit a phone screen recording, we'll go to Import and then choose Phone. A QR code will appear on screen. Scan this on your phone and upload your clip to that web page and you'll see it appear in your Flixier library. The rest is just as simple as before. You're free to edit your clip and export it when you're done. Now that we're close to the end, let me show you how you can generate a text-to-speech voiceover for your tutorial starting from text. To do this, we'll go to Import again and select Text-to-Speech. Here we can pick a language and a voice and then paste in our text and click Generate. As you can see, our voiceover has been generated and added to our library. Until next time, happy editing!